Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's time once again to get back onto this Mk1 Golf that we have. Today we'll be grinding back those panels that we welded in. You can see. So what we're going to have to do is to go around, we're going to need some holes in here to plug weld through. We're going to need to buzz back this surface here, which got primer on at the minute. Put some weld through primer on, same on the other side on here and on the edges. Anyway, we're going to weld basically weld through primer so that you'll have a connection when you come to do the MIG welding, and yeah, then we'll crack on, plug weld through, because I don't have a spot welder. Would have originally been spot welded, of course, from the factory, but don't have that technology here, so we'll get that done. Equally, there's another section through here as well. I don't know how well you can see that, but yeah, that's all got to kind of get clamped up to there. This section down here, the reinforcing part, you can see where my finger is, that is also going to have some welding on as well. Don't quite know how well I'm going to be able to get into that, but we'll see how we go. It's quite a big job. Of course, nothing as big as the van. So. Alright, there's another one. Thanks very much for watching. As you can see, we've now got front panel is on, so we can start to think about fitting the wings. We've got a couple of these on order. These seem to be sold out pretty much everywhere at the moment. Mr. Carter doesn't have any, Heritage don't have any. Awesome claim to have some on eBay, but then they don't have any. I've ordered another one off eBay. We'll see if that turns up. It's going to be the most expensive front mount ever. Anyway, never mind. There we go. It's coming together little bit by little bit. So if you have been, thanks for watching. Is to pull out the dashboard again and start cutting into this piece here. We've got quite a bit of that needs to be replaced. So the next time you see me, I'll probably be removing the dashboard and cutting out this this member at the top there. Alright, so you notice I've got all of my PPE on today at various points. Couldn't see a thing. So yeah, don't be like me. Thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next one.